airbox cover. That's to the throttle body. Take the air breather hose off the cover. Take the clips off the airbox. And one back here. Get that up. Get the air cover right out of the way. 13mm socket, and there's 2 mounting bolts. And they're about 3 inches apart, and they're attached to a bracket that goes into the bell housing. This is on the passenger side bank of the engine in the rear. And there's the second bolt. Now we're going to follow the harness to disconnect it, and it is a white connector located right over by the distributor. And there it is. There's no lock tab, so that's awesome. Just going to push down on this tab and hopefully pull the harnesses apart. Now we can just grab that crank sensor and lift it out. So now we're going to reverse the procedure, put the new crank sensor in. Let's see if I can get this started. And then we're going to torque these to 70 inch-pounds. So let's see if we can get that on there. Get the torque wrench in there. There's one. So now we take the crank position sensor connector and put it together and make sure that it lines up and close it till it clicks. There you go. Now we're going to install the airbox. I'm going to put the air filter cover on first, line up those slotted areas, push down, and then put the metal clips on. Now we're just going to put the part over the throttle body, put the plastic nut on, and I'm just going to take adjustable pliers or wrench, and I'm going to snug the air filter housing.